Welcome back to another video. Before we get into the video, of course, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so today we are going to be reacting to Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds in the Heat of the Moment official music video. Okay, so I never heard of this before. This is a song that I will be reacting to that I chose on my own. I have my lyrics pulled up, so if you see me look this way, it's because I'm looking at the lyrics to help me follow along with the song. Okay, I'm gonna rewind it just a little bit. So far, I like it. It's fast paced, it's quick, has like a little catchy tune to it, and then the na 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 na. I like that as well. I like that as well. I really like that part. It's like, it's catchy. It's a catchy song with the catchy beat. So far, this song has my approval, but we gotta keep going though. Wait, what happened? Did it get louder, y'all? What happened? Okay. That was a good one. So I'm looking over the lyrics. They tell me you touch the face of God like the sound of a rope cracking on your neck. So okay. This was a really good song. I like it. I have to thank myself for this because this isn't a song that you all asked me to react to. I just found this song on my own. So I'm proud of myself. Tap on the shoulder. Tap on the shoulder. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, which I'm sure you did, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.